Hi there, welcome back in today's video. In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can simply perform pediatric IV cannulation. So in today's video, I will show you step-by-step method in which you can simply perform intravenous insertion technique for small children. First, make sure you apply a tourniquet. First, you apply a tourniquet. Then you do retraction. Make sure you do a lot of retraction for the vein to be very visible for you. Then what you do, make sure first you clean the vein. Then you allow the skin to dry first. You get the IV cannulation, that is the 24 gauge cannula. Make sure you remove its packaging. Then you secure the cannula first. Make sure you attach it. Then you remove the cap of the cannula. You get the patient's hand. So this is how you are going to perform. You insert 15 to 45 degree angle into the child's vein. When you see the first flashback, make sure you pull back the needle slightly. Then you advance the cannula deep into the vein. So this is how we are going to perform. I hope you can see there is a flashback in the jump of the cannula. What you do, you slightly pull back the needle. Then you advance the cannula deep into the vein. You release the tourniquet. Make sure you release the tourniquet. Then you completely remove the needle from the cannula. Then make sure you cap the cannula. Then what you do, you start now dressing the cannula. You get adhesive tape. Make sure you get an adhesive tape for you to dress the cannula. So this is how you are going to dress the cannula. Then you get second adhesive tape. So this is how you're going to dress the cannula. When you finish, make sure you flush the cannula whether it's working. You get sterile water for injection. Then you flush the cannula. You get the child's hand. Make sure you apply pressure on the tip of the cannula. Then you remove the cap of the cannula. This is how you're going to flush. You can see the cannula is working. Then you apply pressure on the tip of the cannula. You remove the syringe from the cannula. Then make sure you cap the cannula. So this is how you're going to perform pediatric IV cannulation. I hope you find the video very helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and give your comment to this video.